Hello everyone, welcome to Infomercial. Today I'm super excited to bring this video for all of you, and it's all about what is ChatGPT and how to use it. Whether you belong to medical, engineering, business, education, any field of study of the world, or you are a student, let's say you are a teacher, this video is gonna be quite informative for you. Have you ever wondered what is artificial intelligence? It is basically the ability for a computer or any machine which is instructed by humans to think, learn, and create. And GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and it was launched in November 2022. So now let's start by the link of ChatGPT, which I'll be providing you in the description box of this video. Once you click this link, then it will ask you to log in or sign up. Since I haven't made any account on this one, so I'm going to sign up, and it will ask your email address, and I'm going to put my email address. All right, here we go. And now it is asking you to set any password, which I will of course put. Continue. Then it will take a little minute, and then it will send you a verification code on your email. Then you just have to verify your email address like this, and then it will give you the window over here. Yes, the first name mine is Tayyib, and then Hussein, and let's continue. My phone number. So I've added my number, and I've got a code on my mobile number which I'm going to enter over here, and it verifies. So here we are finally on ChatGPT Browser. It was total hassle-free to sign up, and now you can see that this is showing you some of the examples, some of the capabilities. Likewise, Google gives you many suggestions to search whatever things are trending nowadays, and it also gives you the trending things, okay? Whatever you want to ask it. Okay, so here one thing very important which I would like to recommend you, that please watch this video till the end, because you never know that which part of the video contains your field work, right? So it can be useful for you. So now let's start this officially, and I'll be starting with the English field of study. If you are, let's say, if you are a teacher teaching English language, and you want it to make you a lesson plan, make me a lesson plan of present simple tense. Let's see how it generates responses for you. Isn't it wonderful? Teachers, level beginner, materials that you're going to use, the warm-up activity, presentation, and there we go with the practice of 20 minutes. Is it this iCelta lesson plan? I remember, yes, practice, production, procedure, and then presentation. So this is all the thing, that relevant thing and authentic thing that it has given to you. Isn't this wonderful, teachers? All right. Now, the students who are willing to learn English, whether, like, for example, if they are willing to learn any grammar lesson with quizzes or with worksheet simply by practice, or if they want to go with any composition, for example, any reflective writing or any essay, it can write essays as well. And how? Let's see it. So students, I have written essay on cultural diversity. I have asked ChatGPT, and now it is writing the essay for me. See, cultural diversity refers to the existence of different cultures and ethnic groups within a society. Wonderful, right? And now you can read this and paraphrase in your own words, or you simply just have to copy it, because I believe that some of the people have said this, that plagiarism doesn't count on when you are making your assignment or notes by this chat GPT. Or let's say if you want to go with any grammar lesson, for example, gerunds. You just have to write gerunds, and then it will give you the complete definition with examples of gerunds. Swimming is good. Reading books is one of my favorite pastimes. Examples of many indirect and direct objects and all the things it is giving you. What if the students now you want a quiz on reflective writing? For example, if you want a quiz on reflective writing composition, so And I would be happy to help you to create a quiz. Please let me know what topics you would like to have a quiz. Okay, I'm telling you the topic. Now I have actually written quiz of first conditional, and let's see here. Here's a quiz for you, and it's actually giving you. Isn't it remarkable? I'm seeing it for the very first time, I swear. Like it is giving you a complete quiz, the MCQs. It is great. Actually, it is great. Lovely. And it has given you the answer key as well of this quiz. And those students who want to have some information regarding literature as they are studying, so I've written worksheet of the poem If by Rudyard Kipling. Let's see, does it make worksheet for me as or not? Reading comprehension and then question answers of this. Wonderful. These are the question answers of the first is reading comprehension, the part two is analysis, and then it is giving you, and maybe it will give you the figures of speech of this poem as well. And it doesn't, then no problem. You can just simply go and check it out. For example, I'm writing figures of speech of the poem If by Rudyard Kipling. So let's see, does it give or not? First it creates this, and then how about this one? Yes, it is giving you metaphor and all of the figures of speech of this poem, isn't it? And sometimes English students, you might want to have reading comprehension about science fiction or non-fiction or fiction, whatever the genre or the type you can select about the reading comprehension. Write reading comprehension about science fiction with question answers. So if you click on this one, it will start generating the responses for you. And there you can see you are getting a reading comprehension. And just for the practice, you can get thousands of reading comprehensions with questions and answers. All right, let's have a look on accounts. It's students who are from business, and what if a student wants to make an income statement of this scenario? I have written this scenario over here. Let's see how it creates the income statement, whether it creates or not. Let's see. It is actually, yes, it is actually creating an income statement. It is making an income statement for you, the calculation of profit. Oh, it has given you the complete table kind of, thing. That is absolutely insane. All right, there's a description as well, and you can read this as well, and there you can see your actually income statement. Here, engineering students, how are you all? This segment is completely yours. Let's see how the ChatGPT can help you in your engineering. For example, the question is, what are the difference between alpha testing and beta testing? Let's see what answer it gives. And let me know in the comments below whether this answer is authentic or the relevant to you, or you can verify this answer or not. Let me know in the comments below. And let's see about the now for the food engineering. What is sedimentation? And let's see what it responses on this one. Yes, it is giving you the complete definition. And there, of course, on this topic, you can ask for the quizzes as well or the question papers. Now let's talk about the lifesavers. Yes, my dear audience, I'm talking about medical students or medical practitioners. Let's see, drugs affecting cardiovascular system. I have written this and what it responses. Let's read it together. The cardiovascular system is a complex network of organs, blood vessels, and nerves that work together to maintain. Okay, the first drugs and the second drug, and now it will be continuously giving you the response over this. I remember that some of the students of medical of my students, so they asked me about the medical prefixes and suffixes, which they really feel difficulty in this one, and what ChatGPT how it can help them. Let's see. Yes, now it is giving you A, B, C, D, E alphabetical order. It is giving the prefixes and suffixes. Hyper, the excessive, hypo, the below, normal, intra, within, macro, large. It is that's called inflammation, hepatitis. And with examples, it is actually giving you. Another question I have written on this chat, and let's see what it gives me information. What should not be assessed during palpation of skin? Yes, now it is giving me the definition and the reason why it should not be. You know what? Honestly speaking to you, why I like ChatGPT more than I like Google. Google gives you answers. Google gives you unlimited options. Yes, I completely agree to this. It gives you numerous kind of, websites where you can search and find out. But, this is called the chat. I feel like the AI technology, which is called the artificial intelligence, I feel like there's a person behind the curtain and who's talking to me and I'm asking to him something and he's replying me just like we are chatting. So this is the one of the main reason which I like ChatGPT a lot. चलिए जी, अब इस सेगमेंट पे हम बात कर लेते हैं कि जो लोग उर्दू में डील कर रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल उर्दू में टीचिंग या फिर लर्निंग कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए उर्दू में इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ से निकालना आसानी से हो जाता है या नहीं, चैट जीपीटी ये कर पाता है या नहीं। सबसे पहले तो मैंने यहाँ पर लिख दिया है जी उर्दू के मुहावरात, और अब हम चेक करते हैं कि उर्दू के मुहावरात आते हैं या नहीं। उर्दू जबान में मुहावरे बहुत से होते हैं जो दीगर जबानों में भी पाए जाते हैं। चंद मशहूर उर्दू मुहावरे दर्ज झेल है। ठीक है, गुड, वेरी नाइस। और ये आपको इंग्लिश में भी और उर्दू में भी मीनिंग दे रहा है। सो समटाइम्स उर्दू के टीचर्स को ट्रांसलेशन भी चाहिए होती है, सो दे कैन इजीली गेट दिस, right? Or similarly in English, some papers as well, we need translation, so you can go with this as well. This option is here. So Urdu teachers and students, now you can see that मेहनत की अजमत मैंने लिखा, और मेहनत की अजमत से हवाले से उन्होंने मुझे एक यू कैन से दैट कि ये तफहीम है या कोई स्टोरी है या फिर इसको तकरीर के ज़माने में भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं, एंड देन यू कैन मेक क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. Now, the last segment of this video, we will be talking about, for example, if you are going for the graduation test, or maybe national test, or maybe any CSS test, or maybe any test, for that you need some information, general knowledge. So I am going to search the most difficult questions. So let's see whether ChatGPT can answer me or not. The oldest tree in the world. Yes, it is. Now let's search about when does the Lego brick invented. So yes, it was invented in 1932 by Danish carpenter. And now I came across with a question which Google says that it is the most difficult question and one of the most difficult questions to ask. Dyspepsia is another name for which common disorder? Let's see ChatGPT whether you can reply or not. Yes, you have replied, and the call and this is the answer is indigestion, and it refers to the group of symptoms. So viewers, we hope that this ChatGPT video was quite informative for you. Share it with your friends and colleagues and hit the like button of this video and subscribe to Infomercial. Thank you so much for watching.